Hey everyone, this is Evilcrossover back with another review video, and this is for another one of the GUAEVER's blood pressure machines. So this one's more for the arm. Last time we did one for the wrist. This is for the arm. So it's an arm type automatic blood pressure monitor. So it's a lithium battery, intelligent detection, high accuracy, and 2x120 sets memory. So again, blood pressure monitor. So one button operation, blood pressure and pulse measurement, automatic inflation and deflation, large LED display, automatic switch off, low battery check, and high accuracy. So let's go ahead, open it up, and check it out. USB-A to USB-C. Love to see it. And we have the blood pressure machine right here. It's a nice start and stop, nice big display. Looks like there is this is for the cuff right here. And this is for the charging of it. To plug it in will power USB-C. So we're going to be plugging this one in. This one's more of a plug in, let it go. Let's see. So you get to charge it up.
The measurement is starting. Please relax. Do not move at all.
So it automatically goes on once you turn the power on. So you better be ready for that one, all right?
We wish you all the best. Stay healthy.
Stay healthy. So this is the LED display. This is the instruction manual. And we have the arm cushion right here to put on your arm here. So yeah, this is very cool. So it's, you just charge it up. It could be wireless, or you can plug it in and leave it plugged in. So that's the GUAEVER arm blood pressure monitor, and we'll catch you on the next review.